What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video. So today I want to talk about 5 different decentralized crypto wallets which currently still don't have their own native token. Now the first 3 I'm going to talk about actually have confirmed that they will be having their own token in the near future, and they have confirmed that people that have created a wallet using their decentralized application and have interacted with the features inside of the wallet, those guys will be eligible for an airdrop. Now, I have added 2 more wallets to this list that haven't yet confirmed that they will be having an airdrop or a token released in the near future. However, it is very likely and probable that they will do so. It doesn't hurt just to, it takes 2 seconds to download these wallets, to create the addresses inside of there, and then just do a little bit of interaction, 1 or 2 transactions within the application, to then make yourself eligible potentially for an airdrop in the future. So the first one I'm going to start with today is Metamask. Now, any of you guys that are involved with DeFi are going to know what Metamask is. It's probably the most popular, the number one decentralized crypto wallet out there. Pretty much everybody who uses decentralized applications online usually has a MetaMask and connects to decentralized applications using this wallet. Now, even though they've been around for a while, they've been around for, pretty much since the start of DeFi, they still don't have their own wallet. However, earlier this year, they did confirm that they are going to be releasing their own native token sooner rather than later. Now, they also have stated that users of their wallet, and especially the people who using the features inside the application, such as a swap, will be eligible for at least some type of airdrop. So, I'm sure most of you guys have already MetaMask downloaded on there, but maybe some of you guys always choose to use some sort of decentralized exchange in order to do your swaps. But MetaMask actually does have its own built-in swap, as you can see here when it comes up. You just need to go onto this swap tab here. So in the Binance Smart Chain, you can go over onto the swap, and you can swap your BNB for any other token and swap them back. So what I recommend you doing is creating a wallet through MetaMask, not importing a wallet from somewhere else. Create the wallet on MetaMask, transfer a bit of funds over there, and do some swaps within MetaMask just to make sure that that wallet address could be eligible for any upcoming future airdrops. Now, MetaMask is very widely available on a bunch of different web browsers. Like at the moment here, you can see I'm using Brave browser. However, they do have versions available on Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, pretty much everything. They pretty much support all web browsers, and also they have mobile applications on both iOS and Android. So we're moving on to the next one, which is Sender Wallet. Now, this is a wallet that supports the Near blockchain, and these guys have a wallet which is available as well on multiple different web browsers. You can see here Chrome, Brave, Edge, Kiwi, and they do have a beta version available on the mobiles, which I have actually downloaded myself, and they call it a beta version, but it just works just like the normal version anyway. So we have a look at their little web browser here. You can see this is what the layout looks like. And again, the process is just the same. You want to go ahead and create a wallet. You want to go ahead and create a new wallet through the browser. Don't import an old one, because maybe that could be one of the conditions. And then just use some of the features within the application. Like these guys also have a swap. You can see you can swap your NEAR tokens for something else. And they've also got some staking in there as well, some NFT stuff. So just go around, make a couple of different transactions, and go from there. So all you have to do to get your funds onto the Near mainnet is transfer your funds from a different blockchain onto a centralized exchange. And then most centralized exchanges, Bybit, Binance, all the big centralized exchanges, then they do accept withdrawals and deposits to the Near blockchain, so you can get your funds onto the Near blockchain just like that. And Sender also has confirmed an airdrop to users of its wallet. So if you create a wallet through Sender web browser, and then you interact with the application, then that should qualify you and make you eligible for any upcoming airdrops that will be happening. Now the third one that I want to show you guys with a confirmed airdrop is Telehole. Now these guys will have a web browser application, as you can see here, and it's available for both Chrome and Brave. Now these have their own native token called Doggo, and all profits made from the transactions using this wallet will then go directly back into the Doggo token. So yeah, this airdrop's just going to work like all the other ones. So you just need to download the web browser extension, and once it's on there you can make a couple of swaps with inside of the extension, and that should then qualify yourself and make yourself eligible for the airdrop. So they're the 3 different wallets that have definitely confirmed a token in the near future. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to 2 more that haven't confirmed anything as of yet, but most probably in the near future they will confirm that. So the first one is Robbie Wallet. Now these guys have a bunch of different functions within the wallet, as you can see here. They've got a swap, gas top up, and these guys are also partnered with dbank.com. Now, as you can see here, these guys at the moment are available on both Chrome and Brave, but the Firefox and the Edge version are coming soon, and they don't have a mobile version or anything like that. And the idea is the same here. Just download the application, create a wallet using the extension, and then do some swaps, maybe play around with the different features within the application, and yeah, that could maybe make yourself eligible if they ever do have a token further down the line. And then now we're moving on to the last one, so Phantom Wallet. Now this is on the Solana blockchain. These guys also haven't confirmed any token coming up in the future, but you know, it takes a couple of seconds just to add the extension to your web browser, create a new wallet and put a little bit of funds over there, maybe buy some NFTs, make a couple of swaps within the decentralized application. And yeah, this kind of stuff takes just a couple of minutes, and then you could be maybe rewarded for it in the near future. And yeah, so there are 5 different decentralized crypto wallets that at the moment don't have their own native token, but either definitely will be in the near future or most probably will be. And yeah, so by downloading all these wallets, creating a wallet within the web extension, and then playing around with some swaps and stuff is most probably definitely one of the things that's going to make you eligible for any future airdrops. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you thought you got something out of this video, please like and subscribe. I'm very close to 1k subscribers now, so every little helps. If you want more information about any upcoming airdrops or maybe some upcoming DeFi projects and stuff like that, I've got a link to my Discord channel in the description of this video. You can come and join us over there as well. So yeah, thanks for listening guys as always, and until next time, bye.